Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. Hello guys! Today I'm going to walk you through our Terminal 4 arrival, and we just get off the plane. Just cross the jet bridge, and we are right here waiting for our companions. In this journey guys, you just have to follow and watch carefully the signages. So let's check all the signages for your reference. Here we have signage saying welcome to Terminal 4 and all flights, connections and arrivals. To turn to left. So you can walk to the corridor or you can use the vocalator to save some energy if you are already tired. Just keep on walking guys. If you're in a hurry, then you can walk faster or use the vocalator. Upcoming signage guys. It says flight connections, all terminals, arrivals, baggage and reclaim. Go straight. Same signages, flight connections,
Students.
and baggage reclaim. Go straight. Again, this is Heathrow International Airport, Terminal 4 guys. So we have here same signages, flight connections, all terminals, arrivals, baggage reclaim. Go straight. Keep on walking guys. Just watch if you have flight connections. Watch the signages carefully. Up ahead, we have another signages. Flight connections, all terminals,
CR.
arrivals, baggage reclaim.
Kayo.
Okay, for EU and UK passport holder and other countries as shown, you have to go straight, and for other passports, go right, including the flight connections to Terminal 3, Terminal 5, and Terminal 2. So from there, flight connections, Terminal 2, 3, and 5 go straight. And as well as the baggage collection for all other nationalities. And another critical signages guys for flight connections, you have to turn right from here. Flight connections, terminals 2, 3, and 5, turn right. And all other nationals, turn left. So from here guys, we can expect up ahead is the immigration for United Kingdom.
Oo nga.
So if you are entering United Kingdom, you have to go to this line for immigration checking or visa checking. All other passports and nationalities shown in the signages, including UK and EU. So that's the immigration, guys. So we finished immigration and we are now in going to baggage reclaim and exit. So from here you will take the escalator going to baggage reclaim area. I did not show the immigration process, guys, because it's not allowed. It's prohibited to take pictures or video in the immigration process area. That's why we cut off our video. But now we are already in the baggage reclaim. And here you can see a lot of baggage conveyors with the corresponding baggage conveyor number. You can wait and collect your baggage. If you have any problem for your baggage, missing baggage, you can go to this baggage inquiries with the signage D.
Doon sa taas.
Sometimes there is a long queue in the immigration, so your baggage was already delivered in the conveyor, and these guys will collect your baggage and put it in this section D, where you can collect it later. Okay, we already collected our baggages and we will now go to the exit, where you can find the customs checking. You have 3 lanes, 2 lanes for nothing to declare and 1 lane for if you have something to declare for tax purposes. So we proceed, guys, as we don't have anything to declare. So towards the exit, just follow the signages. This is the exit going to the Terminal 4. So some stores, duty-free stores. So this is the waiting area, guys, for Terminal 4. Signage for baggage inquiries, trains, departure, exit buses, taxis, terminal parking, and private pickup like Uber or other transportation. If someone will pick you up, this is the waiting area where you can find them. And this is the train ticket outlets, guys, for Elizabeth Line and Heathrow Express, also with free transfer for Terminal 2, 3, and 5. If you're transferring, just collect a free ticket in the ticket booth or ticket dispensing machine. We also have here the Elizabeth Line and Heathrow Express, where you can buy your tickets if you're going to destinations inside London. Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.